everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Grace, and today we're going to do a quick 10-minute chair yoga practice for centering and grounding. All we need today is a comfortable chair, preferably without arms. And before we begin, I want to remind you to remain mindful throughout this practice of how your body's feeling today. If there's ever a movement or a pose that doesn't feel good to you today, simply return to Tadasana or mountain pose, find your breath, and rejoin us when you're ready. We'll begin in Tadasana or mountain pose. Find a comfortable seat. Bring your palms face down on your knees. And gently soften or close your eyes. Lengthen through the spine and up through the crown of the head. Notice any sounds you might hear. Notice how the air feels on your skin. Is it hot? Is it cold? Notice how the ground feels on the soles of your feet. Now bring your attention inward and focus on your breath. Observe its rhythm, its tempo. Is it slow? Is it fast? Is it shallow? Is it deep? Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. We're going to start with some gentle movements, simply looking up and down. Come back to neutral. Now go to the right, looking over your right shoulder, and slowly to the left. Take a few of these back and forth at your own pace. And come back to neutral. Lift your right leg off the ground just a couple of inches and give your right ankle some slow and gentle rotations, one direction. And now the other way. And release. Take that on the left side, left leg up a few inches. And a few slow, gentle rotations. And switch directions. And release. Now widen your legs just as far as is comfortable today. Inhale, arms up as high as is comfortable. And as you exhale, left hand to right knee, right hand to back of chair. Gentle twist to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right hand to left knee, left hand to back of chair. Lengthen through the spine, soften the belly. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, palms to knees. And we're going to take our right hand, make a fist, and just bring it to your forehead. We're going to apply just a very light pressure here. Feel free to soften, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. On your next exhale, release palm to knee. Let's take that with the left side. Left fist, bring it to your forehead. Take a few deep breaths here. Remember to keep the spine long, lengthen through the crown of the head. And release palm to knee. Let's take our right leg, cross it over our left, or simply cross the ankles, whatever's most comfortable. Inhale, bring your arms up, and as they come together, bring right over left. And wind your arms. You can also simply wind around your body into a hug. Whatever is comfortable here, find a nice stretch. You can lift your elbows to shoulder height. Bring your hands to touch wherever is comfortable. And exhale, unwind, come back to neutral. Let's take that on the other side. Left leg over right. Inhale, arms up, and this time left arm over right. And find a comfortable position here for a few deep breaths. And on your next exhale, slowly unwind and come back to neutral. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, palms facing down as they come down to your sides. Inhale, arms up, palms up. And exhale, bring palms together at center. Now let's take Shavasana, our final pose. Feel free to lean back. You can use a blanket or towel under your feet or behind your back if you'd like. Palms facing down on your legs, and gently soften or close your eyes. Notice any sounds you might hear. Notice how the air feels around you. Notice how the ground feels on the soles of your feet. And now return to your breath. Relax the shoulders, the jaw. Ground through the feet. Whenever you're ready, begin to wiggle the fingers, the toes. Gently open your eyes. Let's come back to neutral. Let's inhale, bring our arms slowly up. Exhale, palms to center. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for more content like this every Monday and Thursday. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you again soon.